everybody, welcome back to the channel. Yanto Fiance out on the road again. What am I doing? This is my night to work. Well, the internet is down at my house, so I have to physically go into my office, and so I have to take the bike in, and I'm going to be in my office for the longevity or for the duration of my shift at work. So that'll be fun, but hopefully I can get it resolved by Saturday. And so if I do, then we're gonna be good to go. But just a quick side note, just because I'm on the bike, it doesn't mean I'm still not watching Live on Two Wheels with Chase and Bo. Check it. Hey, you guys are live right now, and I'm live on my bike. So hey, I am dedicated. Sort of. But anyways, yeah, I am actually headed out to the workplace, and I'm gonna have to deal with this crap traffic that I have not had to deal with for over 2 years now. So, but it's only 2 days. I can deal with that. Hopefully it's only 2 days, so I can deal with that, and then we'll go from there. Alright, almost over to my top secret work location, and yep, I am reminded of how much I actually do not like coming to work anymore, to the office. But hey, I'm glad I have a job. I'm not complaining about that. I have a job that allows me to work from home, and so that's good stuff right there. But like I said, only temporary, only 2 days. That's okay. And plus I get to ride the bike, and so that's always like a really good bonus, because I get to ride the bike, get to enjoy kind of the quote-unquote nightlife, right? I mean, so that should be kind of fun. But like I said, we're going to battle this traffic. I'm going to try to get into work here, and then we'll go from there. I'm starting to pick up Vietnamese foods. I'm starting to smell the beef stews. You know what I mean? All the seasoning that goes into the Vietnamese dish. Or oh, that was so good. Man. Oh, that was actually really, really good. I forgot how good it is to just roll out of bed. Roll out of bed, walk downstairs, and you're good to go now. I mean, here literally I left like just a little bit after 5, and it's almost 6, and I still haven't gotten to my workplace. But it is going to be pretty interesting to be at the office, because nobody's there. I mean, from my team and stuff like that, there's nobody there, so that'll be fun, sitting there for the duration of the shift and just shooting the breeze by myself, talking to myself. It's not any different than what I'm doing right now. we are all done with work, and we are headed home now. So time for the nice cool ride home in the early morning, and so this should be pretty fun. You gonna go, boy? Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Killing me. Kinda don't want to go the highway, but honestly that's like my fastest way home, so I'm just trying to get home. Brave, you're braver than me, dude. That's crazy right there, bro. Alright, time to get out the way, people. Gotten off the highway, so we can kind of chill a little bit. We are almost home. But alright, I appreciate you riding along with me. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, I appreciate you. Go ahead and hit that sub button, hit that like, share this content out to everybody that you know. And again, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys here on the next one. Peace out.